Hey guys, I am at my house up, and today something sad kind of happened. If you look here, so we have these flashing candy canes. This one's kind of crooked. We had a strong windstorm, but there's that one flashing, and this one's not flashing. Now this is what it should look like. It should go this one, flash, then this one, this one, this one. So pretty much back and forth. But this one's having issues. And I already know straight off the bat I cannot fix it, sadly. If you remember my first video, which was last week ago, I said that if it has black beams, that means all the lights are burnt out, really. And yeah, I've taken the lights out of this and put them back in. I left one out on purpose. If you look at this, it has this little beam on it. I mean, I'm not trying to just like crank you or anything. Like, I mean, you can see it's plugged in right there. So, yep, I'm going to have to replace that. Luckily, I do have some extra ones though. So let me go get one of those. So I got the candy cane. I'm going to try to replace that one with this candy cane here. I mean, look, it's been raining. I don't know if you can tell by how it looks wet. I really don't know. But I'm going to get it replaced and hope it works. Okay. Well, there we go. As you can see, that's flashing. And this one's flashing now. Here is the old broken one. I don't really see any reason why it would have gone out. I mean, except for the fact that every bulb is literally put out. So, yeah. I'm not going to be throwing this away. Obviously the lights will be thrown away, but in last week's video, aka my very first video ever on the Light My House channel, I told you that my mom can actually make stuff out of this. So that's what she's going to be doing. But, yeah, I mean, my house is looking fine right now. So yeah, anyways, that's where I'm going to wrap off the video. I got my candy cane fixed. So yeah, anyways, peace out guys. See you in the next video.